Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. Dear children, mirror image concept, mental ability topics, mirror image concept. We have total 4 questions. We have total 4 questions in that entrance examination. Concentrate, students, kids. Okay. So first of all, what is the mirror image? Okay. Mirror image. Suppose mirror means vertical position. This is the line arrow. In that mirror, it is looking like reverse. That means left become right, right become left. Enough. You remember these 2 points only, enough. Simply meaning it is looking like a reflection with respect to vertical or horizontally. I mean like base wise, what it may be. Okay. Look at the image of an object as seen in the mirror is called mirror image. Definition. Simply what is the mirror image? Look at in the diagram. Okay, that is one arrow symbol. Middle mirror. It become a right. Got it? Next point. Mirror image also known as reflection. In the mirror images, right side of the object, read the whale point, read the point. Right side of the object appears left side. Left side of the object appears at the right side. Only these two. Mirror image concepts to check the student visualization power. Okay, here one question is given. They given 4 options. So visualization power is very important. That's why mirror image concept is very important. First of all, alphabets. Mirror images for the letters. Okay, so this A there is no change. Same like this line is mirror. The same like a there is no change. But B looking like this, reverse. C, okay, D, E, F. Got it? Reflections. Now see in our screen. A no change. B, C, D, E, F. Okay, children. Next. H, I, J, K, L, M. Observe everything. M no change. L reverse. K reverse. J reverse. I no change. H no change. N, O, P, Q, R, S. These are mirror images. Next, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Same, there is no change. Z, reverse. Next, geometrical figures. Okay, up to now letters you can observe. Now geometrical figure. Triangle, there is no change. Directly same triangle only. Okay, now this quadrilateral, 4 sides. Okay, left become right, right become left. So this diagram, observe here. This is the view. Pentagon, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides pentagon. There is no change. Okay, some important diagrams. Geometrical figures. Look at that arrow symbol, reverse. This triangle, left become right, right become left. Swastik symbol also. Starting, so it become ending. Okay, it become reverse. Okay, children. Next. Circle, no change. For alphabets, what are the letters for common? Which letters having same as a mirror image? A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Same. There is no change. Okay. Total how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters are having same image in the mirror. First one. Children, already we discussed the point. Mirror image concept, your visualization power increased. And they are checking your visualization power, IQ power. Left become right, right become left. You remember these 2 points. Left become right. So this rectangle symbol in the question, observe, in the question, in the rectangle symbol, it is right side of the diagram. So it become left. Where is the left? 1, 2, 3. So C wrong. Okay, you can check this way. This circular triangle, top and bottom, there is no change. Same diagrams. Okay, next. Here triangle, observe, there is no change in the reflection also. But here ulta, reverse, here reverse. So this is also wrong. Okay, now. In the question, square symbol. Left side is square symbol. But in option D, this is circle. So wrong. So what is the remaining? A. Okay, by using elimination method. In case if you are identify the direct answer, not a issue, not a problem. You can observe directly. Answer A. Okay, children. Next. This is mirror. Second one. Fan. This starting, it become a left side of this box. So it become right. F should be as right and also F reverse. Mirror means this is F position. F is looking like this and position is right side starting one. Looking like this. Where is the F? Directly you got the answer B. Directly you got the answer. Okay. Because here we start, we need a F, but here N ulta, wrong. This one wrong, this one wrong. We need F. So this is the position. So directly answer is B. This type of questions, visualization power increased. Okay. These every question also previous questions only. Okay. In the part 2, more examples. Thank you.
Geobyte.